And President Aquino hopes to fill up the vacant government posts soon. These include the positions of COMELEC Chairman, Energy Secretary, PNP Chief, Bureau of Corrections Head, and Civil Service Commission Chairperson. According to the President, he has already interviewed several candidates and hopes to have their final interview very soon.
Ang siguro gusto ko lang mag-express naman ng pag-unawa doon sa mga mapipwestong to, no? Yung for instance, yung sa Chief PNP, the minute na binanggit ko yung pangalan, no? Sa Caterban detractor sa siguro naghahanda, at saka sa Caterban naman yung sip-sip. No? So gugulo yung mundo niya. So bago gumulo yung mundo niya, gusto ko naman ihanda niya yung sarili niya at saka yung pamilya niya, no? Na madidilubyo. Well, that goes also for the COMELEC chair. That goes also to a degree for the DOE chair. Yung baka CSC also, no? Chair might also get the same thing. So, yun lang, no? Hindi naman, parang ayoko naman sila itapon sa deep end of the pool. No? Gawa mo na ng paraan.